Happy morning, children. Uh, Today, I will just, you already know this is something pertaining to our SLC. Okay, you are in search of some material for your topics, and I told you I will help you out by giving you some kind of websites to find material. Okay, you all know that grade 60A number system. In that, Riswanth is taking decimal system with binary system or other number systems, and Risik M is taking a Roman numeral system, Tanisa is taking fractions, and Tusita evolution of number sets, Srinita properties of number sets family. You all have been allotted topics, and I hope people are trying to collect material and organize them, and you all know, maybe Satra, what do you call, maybe worrying about, sometimes worrying, but don't worry, okay? Worry will not do anything, it is not going to help you out. You are thinking of the ways of presenting it in a very good possible manner, okay? I'll help you out, but keep on doing little from your end on a daily basis. Daily you will have to go through it and make changes. Keep noting down, jotting down ideas that randomly come when you are engaging in something else. Some ideas may come out. Jot it down and execute that in your plan of SLC presentation. Okay, that will help you a lot. That's the only thing, because in one go you cannot accumulate a lot and you cannot organize fastest. If you are working for a longer period of time, little accumulation will make water drops make a very big ocean. Like that, you will know little drops will make a big ocean, or dust make a mountain. Okay, so like that, please keep on working on that. Keep your mind that is tagged with these ideas. Okay, so at every phenomena that's going in front of you, since you are tagged with it, you will be able to relate some events that is going in front of you to the idea of your topic. Okay, that's what we expect. You must be able to relate the real life situations, phenomena with your subject to make a connection. Okay? So, and in grade 8, coming to this, it is known number patterns and conjectures undertaken by GWAS. You think and I find it a story type thing, come up with some kind of prescriptions with the numbers, and at last the thought out number will be brought out, and this is to be done by Sujan. Missing digits, Tara Prasad, and magic squares by Srijit, indivisibility test by Satvika. So these all have been earmarked, and I hope you are working towards it, and you are consciously tagged to these ideas and collecting inputs from around you. And now see, I also told you the types of projects that is to be of the nature of investigative project, research project, and GP project. I don't want to give you a topic and ask you to work toward that. I have whatever is you have learned, you can choose something, but you can link it with the topic associated with you. Means this number patterns, conjectures means that is going to be connected with whatever you work on. Okay, you are exploring the surroundings, you are exploring the environment and connecting it with your topic. The topic, what concept that you have learned is applied in the project. It may be of investigative project, means you are investigating to find some conjecture to be true or not. Research project, okay, you are coming up with some something which is you think it should be the possibility, and you are working that with a conjecture, and you are proving that conjecture to be true. So, and then your GP project. perspective, global perspective of that. Okay, these all things are given in the policy directions, and I don't need at this stage. I would like to suggest you some websites. One, you just go through Dixa.com. The link of it is given in this blue color. This one, I have just highlighted it. Copy this link and paste it, okay, in your web browser, and then go press enter. Okay, you will come to some opening page where you will be asked to register. You register with some valid email ID or phone number. You will be allowed to with a your account will be verified through means of your Google account, Gmail account, or Facebook or something. You can verify your phone number, Gmail or something. After verification, it will allow you to generate a password. Please remember the password. It should be retraceable. If you are giving some hard passwords, if you do not note it down, after a few days you will forget it. So have some password which is you should be able to recall it. You keep it in mind. You keep it written somewhere in some safe place, so that whenever the user ID and password are asked, you can enter it and log into the site. Okay, so registration is over means you will be getting access to enter into it. It will be looking something like this. The home page will be something different. I have come to this page. There you will find explore. There will be a button called explore. When you click it, you will be taken to this site. Okay, so I am in grades 8, so I go press grade 8 here. On pressing grade 8, I come here, CBSE training. This is not for you, this is for teachers. English new, and this all are things, subject wise all are there. You can find some material here in mathematics too. See here, there is mathematics here, new mathematics. Just click it, or you can come for term class 8 math term, a creative critical in practice. This is in science mathematics. You can get any of this, and now you go through this, or you can take this book and go to the creativity also, or else you can just go through this one, whatever you have done it. Okay, let me just check it. See, if you want, you can go through this also. Let me check it what there is inside is. Okay, if you go to that, see creative and critical thinking, loading your content. It will be loading slowly and slowly. It will load. %50 loaded. Okay, all questions 4th week of September ends. All questions 3rd week of September. Some tabs are given here. You can click it and see what there is inside it. Okay, these are all questions. If you go down by pulling this tab down, there's nothing new for you. This thing, only questions and interactive type video is there here. See, when you press this video, I press it, it's not working. Let me go to the others. This one, these videos are not uploaded. I think it is partially loaded. So you just instead of going to creative, this one, you just go through this one, mathematics. Go to this one, mathematics textbook. Once you open it, you will find a lot of materials here. Rational chapter wise it is there. You can go for chapters, chapter wise loading your content. If you see here, see, all chapters are there, and I am just going to take lesson plan. All these are there. I think we go through this. playing with numbers is there. So if I have taken playing with numbers, I have clicked the playing with numbers. I just have to come down. See, on clicking playing with numbers, okay, all are there. I just to check here what is there in this divisibility by 9, explanation, content, or all that. Okay, if I still go down, practice items are there, learning resources are there, define behave. These are numbers and number games are there. Okay, teacher focus items, the lesson plan planning, all these are for hours of teacher focused resource. Now playing with numbers, number games, some things are given here. You can click it and go into it and collect materials that you require. You can also go for videos. Now in the video source, you can go for video C. If I click this one, I will get some videos. Okay, divisibility by 9 and 3. Video is that. You can go through the video. You can get some idea. You cannot play this video directly, but you can use it for presentation purposes. If you can record it, there's a screen recorder. You can use it to record things. Okay. I don't know why this voice is full. It is getting loaded. It takes time.
Today we will see some interesting examples related to divisibility rules by 9 and 3.
So you can go through this.
PQR
Okay.
is a 3-digit number with P, Q, R digits. Find PQR minus RQP is divisible by which number?
You can go through this. Okay. Now you can elongate it and take screenshots also. I'll just pass
We
it.
can write PQR as 100P plus 10.
Okay. So you can get some material from this as per your requirement of chapters. Then next comes for grade 6th. You can take grade 6. Go to here and then you take mathematics here from this. You can have got other subjects too, but for SLC purpose you go through this. So here Roman numerals or videos are there. Just click videos. You will get to know some videos and you will get some materials, all notes, everything is there. Okay. So some videos you can see. Knowing our numbers. Go down, these are all videos. Numbers up to 6 digits, numbers up to 4 digits. Okay. Knowing our numbers. This is the topic here. If you go little up, we were trying for playing with numbers, basic numbers. This is the topic. Under this you will get other chapters to playing with numbers. Basic geometrical ideas are not there for you. So we have got some chapters for integers also. I have clicked integers. If I see, these are the videos, meaning of integers, addition of integers. Okay, addition of integers. So all that you can just see what it is there. It's getting loaded, it takes time, but you can explore it, what material it is, and you can so you will get some pictures. Okay, you can embed these videos in your presentation also, no problem.
Selling a pen.
Okay, okay, I'll just stop it here. I'm just going back. Okay, so you go through them and collect materials, organize them in some way, and try to come up with some PPT or video, whatever as you decide, whatever you desire. Okay, and kindly share it with me through either WhatsApp or something, so that I can just give you further guidance. Okay, it's SLC, and we need to train you to present it in a way that is at par with some international school. It is a practice of international school, so we want ourselves to be to that standard, at par with that standard. Okay, so I think this will be sufficient for you. I think you have noted down the website IDs. Okay, it is here. You copy them, and then I will be sending this file too, so that you will be able to copy it. I will put it in WhatsApp group. Okay, I'll just copy this one and put it in WhatsApp group. So this will do for you. So I think this is enough for today. Okay, thank you. Have a good day.